In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue of templates not showing in CapCut. If you've been struggling to find templates in your CapCut editor, don't worry, you're not alone. This tutorial will walk you through several effective solutions to get those templates to appear. Whether you're using the web editor, the desktop application, or even dealing with regional restrictions. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to troubleshoot and resolve this problem, step by step. Let's get started. First, let's focus on using the web editor. Open your browser and head over to capcut.com/editor. The web version of CapCut often has templates available even when the desktop version doesn't, so starting here can save you time. Once the page loads, make sure to log into your CapCut account. Templates are tied to your account, meaning they'll only show up if you're logged in. Now, for the best experience, use a browser like Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. These browsers are optimized to ensure the web editor runs smoothly without requiring any additional installations that might cause issues. Next up, let's move into updating the desktop application. To begin, check if you're running the latest version of CapCut. Outdated software can miss out on new features like templates, so keeping your app up to date is essential. To update, either visit CapCut's official website or use the update option directly within the app. Once the update is complete, make sure to close and reopen CapCut. Restarting the app ensures that all changes are applied and the interface is refreshed. Keep in mind, though, that if your internet connection is slow, the download process might take a little longer, so be patient. Now let's talk about using a VPN, which can be helpful if templates are restricted in your region. If you don't already have a VPN installed, start by setting one up. Some features in CapCut, like templates, might not be available in certain countries, and a VPN can help you bypass these limitations. Once your VPN is ready, connect to a server located in the United States. Templates are typically available in this region, so this step increases the likelihood of them showing up. After connecting, relaunch CapCut while the VPN is active. This ensures the app recognizes the new region and displays the templates accordingly. Moving on, let's refresh the interface within CapCut. Start by creating a new project. After that, close the project you just created. This simple action refreshes the interface and can prompt the Templates tab to appear. Now, if you don't see the templates right away, don't worry. You can repeat this process a few times to nudge the system into updating itself. Finally, let's address resetting the layout in CapCut. Look for the Reset Layout or Restore Default Layout option in the top right corner of the app. Depending on your version, the wording might vary slightly, but both options serve the same purpose. Clicking this will restore the default workspace layout. Resetting the layout is helpful because misplaced tabs or settings might be hiding the Templates tab. This step reorganizes your workspace and ensures that all features, including templates, are visible. And that's it. By following these steps, you should now be able to fix the issue of templates not showing in CapCut, whether it's using the web editor, updating your desktop app, or troubleshooting with a VPN. These methods cover all the bases to get you back on track. If you're still new to CapCut, don't forget that you can sign up using the link in the description below. So now you know exactly how to resolve template issues in CapCut and ensure your editing process runs smoothly. If you have any other questions or tips to share, feel free to leave a comment below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.